Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily check the headphone battery on your iPhone. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, put your likes below the video. And also friends, write your comments after watching it. And let's get started with you and me. If you would like to know how many percent of charge is left in your headphones, you'd like to view that information, it's very easy to do so. First, you will need to tap on the empty field on your iPhone. Press and hold until all the apps start to cowl. Now on the top left, tap Edit. Next, select the first option, Add Widget. After that search box, you see the word battery. Click. And now as you can see, you will have several options at once. How you can add which widget to your screen to see always the battery power of not only your phone, but also your headphones. There are, as you can see, several options. And you will need to choose one of them and click Add Widget. Now friends, as you can see, the widget is added and you can somehow modify it. You can make it bigger or smaller. This way you will change it externally. And once you've added the widget, you just have to click on an empty box on the screen. So as you can see, the widget will be saved and you will always know what battery capacity your headphones have left. Friends, I really hope this video has been helpful to you and has been. If you were able to see how you can easily check your headphone battery on your iPhone, please don't forget to put your likes under this video and also friends, subscribe to our channel. Bye everyone.